In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve a timesheet in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to make sure your team's hours are ready for payroll without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have access to the payroll features. Only users with the right permissions can approve timesheets, so if you don't see the same options on your screen, you may need to ask your administrator to update your access. Once you're on the main Xero dashboard, look along the top menu for the payroll option. This is where Xero keeps everything related to employee pay, timesheets, and pay runs. Go ahead and click on payroll. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data, so just wait until the page fully appears. Inside the payroll area, you'll see several options. What you're interested in today is the timesheet section. Find and click on timesheets. This page is essentially your hub for all employee time entries. Here, you can usually see a list of timesheets that have been submitted, along with their status, such as draft, submitted, or awaiting approval. Now, you'll want to choose the specific timesheet you need to approve. Look through the list for the correct employee and pay period. It's important to double check details like the date range and the employee's name so you don't accidentally approve the wrong one. Once you've found the right entry, click on that timesheet to open it. When the timesheet opens, take a moment to review the hours that have been entered. Check for things like daily hours, overtime, breaks, and any leave entries that might be included. Make sure the total hours look reasonable and align with your records or the employee's schedule. If something doesn't look right, this is the time to follow up with the employee or your payroll administrator before you move on. If everything looks correct, you're ready to approve. Look for the Approve button on the timesheet screen. This is usually located near the top or bottom of the page. Click on Approve. Xero will then mark that timesheet as approved and it will be ready to flow through to your next pay run. That's all you need to do to approve a timesheet in Xero. Go to Payroll, open Timesheets, select the correct timesheet, review it carefully, and click Approve.